Friends, welcome to CT tutorial. In this video we will learn what is SQL or what is SQL, or we'll get a basic concept about SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's basically a language which helps to communicate with the database. Like as we have different languages in different country, English, Spanish, French, Chinese. So we will use that language to communicate with the people. Likewise, we are using SQL to communicate with the database, such as to retrieving data, such as to deleting some data, such as to update some data. So let's see what is SQL. So in this tutorial we will learn the actual meaning of SQL and its uses. What is SQL? SQL is a database query language. We use it for operating databases, or you can say that we use SQL for communicating with the Rdbms. It is used for storing and managing data in relational database management system, that is Rdbms. The operation included are creation, deletion, modifying rows, column, etc. SQL is standardized by ANSI, means American National Standards Institution. SQL is a standard language for Rdbms. Examples of Rdbms are: number 1 is MySQL, number 2 is MS Access, number 3 is Oracle, number 4 is Sybase, number 5 is Informix, number 6 is PostgreSQL, and number 7 is SQL Server. Different use vernaculars are MS SQL Server using TSQL, Oracle using PLSQL, MS Access using ZSQL. So let's have a look of the evaluation of SQL. In the year 1970, Dr. Edgar and F. Ted Codeform, IBM, who was known as the father of relational database, described the relational model of databases. In the 1974, SQL appeared in the market. 1978, IBM released a product named System/R using Code's ideas. In the year 1986, first prototype was the relational database is developed using the standardized by ANSI, means American National Standards Institution. So they have give the permission, or they have set up a permission that the SQL is a standardized language for Rdbms systems. Uses of SQL, it allow user to access information with the computer management systems. SQL allow user to manipulate the data, allow user to explain the information. SQL allow user to create and drop databases and tables. It also allow user to form, read, keep procedure, functions during an information. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you wanted to learn more about SQL, if you wanted to learn how to write the SQL syntax in a SQL in a database platform, so please tune this channel, subscribe this channel.